Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If someone new who is watching my channel for the first time, I'm your Ashita from my channel Ashita the Related. Today in this video is all about my unboxing and review of my Flipkart wall stickers. Then without any further ado, let's get started in the video. And here is my product. I'm gonna remove it. Friends, I bought this from Flipkart. I got this for 202 rupees and it's a flower pattern with a theme of graffiti and arts. And you can see the package. Package is well done. Friends, here you will get a flower theme and thereby you will get art shape theme also. And here you will get 5 big flowers and thereby 5 small flowers. Similarly, you will get big size heart and small size heart, and all the flower color will be different and quality is so good. And now let me start sticking all over my wall. Firstly, what I gonna do is I'm gonna take a waste cloth and wipe it all the dust over my wall. Make sure no dust remain in the wall. And guys, you'll get sticker width of 140 centimeter and height of 90 centimeter. And now I'm just sketching out where I can paste my big flowers and small flower. I'm just marking it off. And when I'll come with the sticker part, pasting of this sticker is simple. Just you need to remove the sticker at one end and need to paste at the another end, such that there should be no air bubbles should be occurred in the sticker or wall. I'm just making an idea and just sticking it off. Now I'm gonna stick all over my heart shape sticker also. We are almost at the end. And here it's done. And guys, no need to worry that all the information of pasting and cleaning of all the information will be provided by the Flipkart. Finally, this is my wall, how it looks. I think this pattern is well suited to my wall, and even the color and this color is too matching and it's looking so alluring. And if you guys want to buy this sticker, I'll share the link in the description. You can go once and check it out in Flipkart. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.